Finally, I have completed my website, and the two things left. One thing is a payment option, and another thing is in data. The data which I will provide it means I will the projects which I will give to you. So the home page is here. Maybe it will be changed in the future because uh, right now I'm busy in some other work, so I make the home page is just simple, as much as simple. So, and after the home page, let's go to the project, and here is all the projects that I will give to you. I mean in the website will give to you, and all the projects are running, means all the projects are executed. Now let's check here. C project means the price is 100 rupees, and let's check here. It is a demo. It is an screenshot of the project that I have run on my PC. Here it goes like this. Now we will go to the payment option. Now buy here, and we will click on the buy option. After open the buy payment option, you will see here it is in my payment bar option, means the bar code where you can pay the money, and it is UPI ID and here it is an amount, the amount of the project. And here, if you after finishing the payment, you have to fill that form. That form will tell me who give me the payment and which project you want to buy. His name, Gmail account, names, WhatsApp number, and project ID, project language, and all these details you have to fill after payment. If you haven't, if you did not payment, then you will not be go further after that. Just like you have not payment. Have you payment? No. So it will go back and back on the home page. So after completing that after completing that payment form, then I will send the project to your number or your email account. Let's check the about section. Here it is an about section. Here it is an about section. After about section, let's go to the contact section. Contact page. Here it is in contact page. What it will show you. It is loading. Let's wait for some time. Now here it is in a contact section. Here you can contact with me. It is in another form. It is just simple form for contact information. Like you do not want to share your number, then you can contact me by through the Google form, or you can contact me just on Telegram, or just on WhatsApp, or just on Instagram. Here it is left is just on. I have to upload this website on internet on the 16 August, and this website is fully responsive, means you can run this website on your mobile. Just starting from home page. Here it is in home page, and just loading. Inspect, just view source code. But no, just mobile tab, open mobile tab. Here it's just a fully responsive. After home page, you can go to the project section directly here, and after project section you can go further in a contact section or in an about section, where you want to go. Just waiting for loading because screen recording take time. So here it is in project section. Here all the projects are, and about section. Here it is in about section. Just look at the about section, and after that about section, here it is in contact section. So all the details are inside that. Send a message. So here it is one error. It is not showing contact section, means it is not showing that a form which you have to fill for contact. So I have to fix it. Okay, after fix it, I will upload it on the internet. So thank you.